Hi, I'm Barb Hamilton Susted, and I'm the Senior Director for the US DMC Marketing Team at Mayo Clinic. I'm applying for the DRIVE program, and your first question is why? I've had a number of conversations with past participants and the value that they have seen and been able to utilize almost immediately and throughout the program and throughout their career just speaks to the quality of not only the content, but the structure and the people that are involved in it. I'd love to be part of it. I know your second question is why I'm a good candidate. I would like to talk a little bit about my thoughts around the key attributes, AI, and the role of inclusive leadership, and then I'd like to circle back and tell you how I fit. So when I look at the key attributes of future leadership, first and foremost is culture. When I look at the culture at Mayo Clinic, it's absolutely amazing. And coming from outside, like I do, I've been involved and I've worked for a number of Fortune 500 companies. They all have values, they all have them stated, and they have mission statements. But I've never seen them brought to life the way that Mayo Clinic does. That's something that's exceptional and rare. And I really think that as the company grows, as the organization grows, and we continue to evolve, especially in a very dynamic workforce environment and consumer environment, then bringing those values and making sure that those are upheld and grow, it's going to have to be deliberate and thoughtful. It's not going to happen by chance. So that has to be a huge priority for us and a huge benefit to us as we continue to move forward. Flexibility is the other one, and AI does play into this. As we look at new platforms, we look at a changing environment, a changing workforce, flexibility and the ability to adapt and bring technology and people together. That is going to be the biggest opportunity that we have. Leveraging both sides, not only to make the most progress, but to do it in the way that also upholds our values and delivers that needs the patient come first. So ability to continue to grow, to be, I think, intellectually curious, and then have the capability of putting that knowledge to work. That's going to be able to deliver what we really are trying to do to transform healthcare. So those skills are very different, and we'll have to look for them and teach them at the same time. Understanding AI and workforce of the future, it goes back to those same skills. AI is the current technology that we are concerned with and making sure that we understand it, know how to use it, know how to enable it, but it's not the last one. So I go back to that flexibility piece and the ability to understand how to use technology and how to kind of leverage that with the people side of the business to deliver what we need to deliver and make sure that we're on point with the values. I think that the role of inclusive leadership, in order to understand what we need to deliver and to find the best way to deliver that, you have to be able to leverage the entire organization. And I say leverage, it's really making the most out of the people that we have. We have amazing people here at Mayo Clinic. If we're not utilizing everyone, then we lose. We don't have the best opportunity if we don't use all of our people, because they are amazing. So being inclusive and putting into kind of context and making sure that we have systems, we have a culture that's inclusive, we have a culture that allows people to bring up ideas and to share them across the system so that we can learn from each other, creating a true learning organization. That's our goal. So I think that is really, really important. As I go back to why I'm a good candidate, I think that I have a kind of unique background with a undergraduate in engineering, so I understand the technical side of it, and very heavy in analytics and the ability to understand situations, root cause analysis, and kind of drill down. But I also have the strong people skills and that creativity side with the marketing. And so blending those two and bringing that to life, I think I can deliver on that flexibility and making sure that we are engaging our entire workforce to really deliver what we need to deliver if we're going to transform healthcare for the world. So thank you for that. Thank you for listening. I appreciate the time and I hope I'm considered. Thanks.